A soft-bodied, 8-limbed mollusk of the order Octopoda. With approximately 300 species, the octopus is grouped within the class Cephalopoda, with squid, cuttlefish and nautiloids. Like other cephalopods, an octopus is bilaterally symmetric, with 2 eyes and a beaked mouth at the centre point of its 8 limbs. The soft body can radically alter its shape, enabling octopuses to squeeze through tiny gaps. They are remarkable creatures, and here are 8 amazing facts that makes them even more so. Man-made suction cups pale into significance compared to natural ones that cover the undersides of octopus arms. Generally, an octopus has about 240 suckers on each limb, and a particularly large sucker can hold up to 16 kilograms. The suckers are also extremely sensitive. They can pick up subtle chemical signals and move individually, even folding in half in a pinching gesture. Studies undertaken in aquariums and biology labs suggest octopuses are very curious and require stimulation. They might even engage in what humans would call play. A scientist quoted in Octopus tells a tale of one specimen pushing a plastic bottle repeatedly at a stream of water flowing into the tank, almost like it was bouncing a ball underwater. Octopuses have a relatively short lifespan, with some species living as little as 6 months. The giant Pacific octopus, one of the 2 largest species of octopus, may live for as much as 5 years. Octopus lifespan is effectively limited by reproduction, as their cellular functions start to break down without repair or replacement after the mating process. The speed at which this happens varies between species, and for most octopuses, the last stage of their life is called senescence. An octopus can change the colour of its entire body in just 0.3 of a second. But the creature doesn't simply take on the general pattern of its surroundings. Instead, it often mimics specific undersea objects like plants or rocks to disappear into the underwater scenery. There are no other creatures in the animal kingdom with quite such an effective form of disguise. In 2009, scientists reported they had watched veined octopuses picking up discarded coconut shells and using them rather like mobile homes. While I have observed and videoed octopuses hiding in shells many times, I never expected to find an octopus that stacks multiple coconut shells and jogs across the seafloor carrying them, said researcher Julian Finn, who was the marine biologist at the Museum Victoria in Australia carrying out the studies. A female giant Pacific octopus named Billy was amazingly capable of opening child-proof pill bottles. Biologists at the Seattle Aquarium in the United States put Billy's strength and wits to the test with a bottle opening challenge. The clever cephalopod was able to unlock the top and access her favourite snack in 5 minutes. Not pills, of course, but perhaps this is not unsurprising for a creature known to open clamshells without a shucking knife. All octopuses are thought to have some venom that derives from bacteria living inside their bodies, but most don't have enough poison to harm humans. However, a bite from the deceptively beautiful blue-ringed octopus can paralyse a human adult in minutes, with death usually from suffocation due to paralysis of the diaphragm. Finally, Those of you with captive octopuses, please take note. Compared with octopuses living in tanks full of interesting decorations like shells and flower pots, octopuses living in more Spartan conditions will become pretty stressed out, one study found. Some even turn to a disturbing behaviour known as autophagy, or eating their own appendages in such non-stimulating environments.